Yeah, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. All right, this is Kinsey First right here. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to trade boom and crash like pro. Okay, so a lot of you were asking if it is possible to trade boom and crash with real price action, which is applying patterns, different patterns, trading boom and crash maybe on a lower time frame. Okay, so I've actually figured out how to trade boom and crash with patterns even when you are using the lower time frames, like 5 minutes time frame or 15 minutes time frame or even 1 minute time frame. So if you look here, this is boom 1000. Okay, so if you actually want to trade pattern right here, you will find it difficult to draw any pattern, maybe ascending channel, descending channel, descending widget, ascending widget, or triangle, symmetric triangle, descending triangle, ascending triangle, double top, double bottom, cup and handle, head and shoulders, all the patterns. Okay, all the patterns, it's possible that you can actually trade this on boom and crash, and that's exactly what I want to share with you in this video. And it is very simple, okay, to draw. For you to get these patterns, they are very simple. I've already made everything simple for you guys. Okay, so if you look, I've been on this trade just a few minutes ago. All right, so this is a real account. Okay, this is a real account. You can see it's a real account. So I actually entered this trade with a pattern. Okay, so you might be asking me, where do you draw in the pattern, and where is your target? I've already put in my stop loss. If I zoom, yeah, my stop loss is above here. You can see that my stop loss right there. So for you to get this pattern, for you to draw this pattern, you have to add few indicators that will help you do that. Okay, add few indicators that will help you do that, and these are the indicators you have to add. All right, so first you go to F icon to add up your indicator. Okay, so you go to F icon. Right here we have first indicator on our window one is our relative strength index. So remember, we are not adding any indicator on the main chart, which is this section here. We are not adding any indicator right there. We are using window one. Okay, so the first indicator we are adding is the relative strength index. Okay, RSI. So if I click, look at the settings, they are very simple. Period 14, apply to close. Okay, style 3 pixels. Then the levels, pay close attention to the levels. We are going to be using it also. So we have the 80, we have the 20, we have the 50. Okay, here is where we are likely going to be selling. Okay, and here we are going to be buying. So I can actually label this as, sorry, as a sell. Okay, here buy. Okay, sorry, that should be buy. And here we can use it as partial entry. Okay, I will still explain everything. Partial entry, so I'll just use partial there, boys. Partial entry right there. Okay, so after this you click on done. Okay, so we are done. The next indicator is this moving average, period 2, shift 0 method, simple, apply to previous indicator data. Then you can see the style, there is no level, and you click on done. The last moving average is moving average 7, period 7, shift 0 method, simple, apply to previous indicators data. Then the color is red. Okay, so after that you click on done, and that's all you need for this. Okay, so this strategy is we are going to be using it on 5 minutes time frame. You can equally use this on 1 minute time frame. You can use it on 15 minutes time frame, any time frame you wish to draw in any pattern. Okay, any pattern of your choice. So before we proceed, I just want to teach you few patterns. Okay, few patterns that you need to know. All right, so the first pattern I love using so much is channel. Okay, channel is simply when you have this way, a line. You can see my red line right there, just like a channel. You can, let me just use horizontal line. So this is basically a channel. Okay, so this my two horizontal line is a channel, so the price can likely move between that channel. Okay, which is termed as a ranging market. So the price moving between this channel. Okay, so this is a horizontal channel. Okay, so we have the ascending channel and we have the descending channel. Okay, so I love using channel a lot, so sorry. So I need to show you. So this one here is the ascending channel, guys. So this is ascending channel. If you look, let me just increase it a bit so that you guys can see clearly. 4. Increase this also to 4. So you can do that at your own end just to. So this is ascending channel. The channel is actually ascending or going to the upside. Okay, so basically this is ascending channel. Then we have the opposite, which is descending channel, right? So this descending channel, the channel is going to the downside. Okay, let me put it this way. So this one is descending, this one is ascending. Okay, you can see example of a channel, right? Okay, so after this, the next pattern I trade a lot, okay, apart from double top, double bottom, and head and shoulder, is widgets. Okay, you have descending widgets and also ascending widgets. Just pay attention. Channel and widget is almost the same thing, just that widget tends to close. Okay, close more like this. Okay, close more like this to the downside or to the upside. You can see the line tends to compress, okay, a bit at a particular end. You can see this one closing to the upside and this one closing to the downside. Okay, that's basically the difference between channel and widget. Then we also have the triangle. Okay, we have the descending triangle. So let me just do away with this so that we can concentrate. So we have the descending triangle like this one right here. Okay, so basically this is descending triangle. Okay, so we have the opposite, which is ascending triangle. So this right here is the ascending triangle. You can see how the price, so the price can the price can move between this way, so maybe break to the upside or break to the downside. Then we have symmetric triangle. They are not actually going to the upside or to the downside, so you have this way. So sometimes the price can equally move in between lines this way. Okay, all right, so a lot of different patterns, but I will not actually give you in details. You can go and look for, just search for it. You are going to see a lot of patterns out there. Then you choose few of them that we focus on. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be focusing on channel, widgets, and maybe triangles. Okay, so also double top or double bottom, anyone. So now for you to draw this, okay, if you are trading boom and crash, it is very difficult. Okay, and that's why I said I got you on this video. I've placed everything, I've made everything so easy, and it will be accurate. Okay, so I might be taking profit right now because of this. Okay, because of this level, there might be a spike, but before then let me check my target. Okay, I will zoom in, zoom out, so you can see my arrow here. Okay, this is my target down here, so I can actually hold this trade for the price to push down to this level. Okay, so this is my target right there. All right, so, and I was able to enter this trade using pattern. So you might be trying to draw in patterns. Okay, here maybe the right way to draw pattern is to draw it on the chart. Maybe you're picturing this. Let me just show you how to draw in pattern. Maybe I want to draw or see the pattern playing out right here. I might draw this. Okay, then draw in this.
which is a bit difficult now because I needed to get all those swing highs. Okay, so I just have like 2 swing highs right here. So after a breakout like this, so this is symmetric triangle right here. So you can see the price, the swings. That's where you're targeting the swing high there, swing high there. Okay, swing low here, swing low here, swing low here. So you're waiting for a breakout. If you are using a symmetric triangle, you are looking for a breakout either way, is either to the upside or to the downside. So you can see the break happened here. The price broke to the upside. Okay, so after the breakout, you enter your buy. Okay, that's the point you are going to be buying. Okay, you are going to be buying here, and you are going to ride this trade to the upside. You can see how massively that spike keep coming, okay, to the upside. All right, so you can actually look for these patterns right here to draw. But the problem is that if you are new, or you are still starting when it comes to drawing in patterns, okay, it will be very difficult to draw patterns on a lower time frame on boom and crash. Okay, so all these things you find it difficult to put in any pattern right here. Okay, on the main chart you can see it's very difficult for you to see a good pattern to draw in. Okay, so for you to do this, okay, instead of looking and trying to figure out a way to draw in a perfect pattern, so I've added these indicators that will help you draw in this pattern, and that's the indicator we have on our window one. And you can see I have all the patterns, the ones I'm trading, all of them are here, and I've been using this pattern for a very long time. It makes work more easier for you, and it's more accurate and more reliable. Okay, it's more than just looking for indicator crossing each other or at overbought, oversold, all those things. So when you have these patterns, it's something that have been proven as a system that works, okay, for a very long time. So if you're a price action trader, you will never joke with patterns. Okay, so now instead of trying hard to draw it on the main chart, I've added indicators that will help you draw in this pattern as easy as ABC. Okay, so if you look here, down here, okay, pay attention to my window one down here. Okay, you can see I have a pattern right there. Okay, you can see I have a pattern, and I was able to put in this pattern, okay, because of the indicators I have in. Okay, I have the blue and the red, but I'm just focusing on the blue. Okay, I'm just focusing on the blue indicators right there. So I just have to mark out the swings, the swing highs. You can see this and this. Okay, those are my swing highs. These are my swing lows. Okay, then I draw in those lines. Okay, so these lines are there, so I will sell here, sell here, sell here, which is what is going on right here, and I'm expected to buy here, and buy here. Okay, so that's exactly what I'm doing. So the next thing I'm going to be waiting for is that I'm waiting for a breakout. I'm waiting for the price to break either to the upside of this pattern right here, or to the downside. Okay, so I'm actually expecting the price to break either to the upside or to the downside. But even at that, I can be taking my trade in between these lines until a breakout happens. Okay, so that's one thing about patterns. You can actually trade breakouts, or you can even trade in between the pattern. Okay, so you can see I am on a sell. You can also see my targets right there. Okay, down there, this is my targets. Okay, so if the price gets to that point, I'm going to take profit and wait if the price is going to break to the downside. Okay, also if the price hits this, I can equally buy. If I see a sign of reversal, I will also buy and wait for the price to hit the line above. Okay, this one again. So this is my next movement to the upside again. Okay, so but that's why we have this level 80 and 20 for you to see. This is just the partial entry. That's what I'm into now. So the entry is not that perfect because the pattern is happening at 50 level, which is the middle point. Okay, so for me to hold the trade for a very long time, I have to see this pattern or figure out this pattern happening at my level 80 or level 20 or below. Okay, when I see a breakout or the pattern playing out around this overbought or oversold region, that's where I'm going to be holding. That's where you will buy and you hold the trade for a very long time. But this one I'm taking is partial entry, I'm just going to be scalping. I'm not going to be taking much time. So once the price hits here, I'm going to take profit, because all this, the pattern is playing out between this my level, that is the 50 level. Okay, so that's why I'm not going to be holding the trade for a very long time. Okay, so if you look back here, you see we had another pattern here. So you can see how I draw in that pattern. So you just have to pick those swing highs, okay, at this point, then swing lows, okay. That is, you use your horizontal line to mark out those points, okay. Then wait for a breakout, or you trade in between the pattern. So, but the best thing is, if you are not good with pattern, just wait for a breakout, okay. Just wait for a breakout. So once the price break out, look at this point, look at the breakout point. So that's the point you could have sold this. At this point, you could have sold, and you ride this to the downside. You can see how massive that drop is, okay. So that's how interesting trading pattern is, okay. That's how interesting trading pattern is. So you must understand how to trade this pattern in order to make maximum amount of money trading the forex market, trading boom and crash. It's very difficult to trade patterns on boom and crash, and that is exactly why I have to create this video, to show you how simple doing this is. My work here is to figure out how to do things, or make things more easier for you guys to enjoy. All right, so if you look here, these are the patterns I have in, okay. Looking for a breakout. This one is a kind of symmetric triangle, waiting for a breakout to the downside. And once the breakout happened, look at the points, it happened right there. So the price actually break to the downside at this point. So all I have to do is to enter my sell at this point, and you can see how massive the drop is. So it's not like an indicator that can actually shift or go anywhere when the price is going up or down. Okay, so once you get the pattern and you wait for a breakout, if you're a beginner, you only wait for a breakout, okay. If you have been trading pattern, you know how to trade in between the pattern, okay. You should know how to take advantage of that. But if you're a beginner, please always wait for a breakout. So like this one, if you're a beginner, you should be waiting for the price to break to the upside or to the downside before you enter your trade, okay, instead of trading in between. All right, so a lot of things, a lot of patterns right here. You can see here we have the double bottom right here, okay, this and this. Then after that, you draw in line. If you remember the strategy we use trading the double bottom, if you have not watched the video, you can check my previous videos. You wait for a breakout, okay, from here. So, and the breakout happened right there. So once the price break right here, you can see a breakout from my red line right there. Let me just increase it so you will see clearly where the breakout happened. So I'll increase it to, okay. So you can see where the breakout happened right here. So after this breakout, you enter for a buy, and you ride this trade to the upside, okay. From here, you ride this trade to the upside, okay. So basically, this is where you are entering your buy after a breakout, okay. So this is it, this is it, this is it. It's amazing if you know how to trade patterns, okay. So instead of drawing it on the main chart, or finding it difficult to draw on the main chart, you can equally draw this pattern using the window one, adding this indicator. Okay, so the reason why I actually added this indicator is for you to see the price action on the window one, so that you will see those swing highs and swing lows and all these things that you'll be drawing in. Okay, so without this indicator, you know where you have those swing highs and swing lows for you to draw in your line or your pattern. Okay, and if you start waiting to draw it on the main chart, you will find it difficult to pick patterns. Okay, so you can see this one I put in. It is because I know how to draw patterns very well, okay. And if you see here, I might not be able to pick this pattern here, but if you look here, I was able to pick a pattern right here, and I will still take this trade. But if you are just waiting using this main window, okay, the main chart, you might miss this particular pattern right here, okay. So that's why I actually use indicators, to make work more easier, and to trade as much as I can figure out using the window tool, okay. So that's how to trade pattern. You can do this on any pair at all or any indices at all. Okay, you can do this on boom, on volatility, on crash, on step index, and all that. Okay, so this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you are going to start checking it out. So trading pattern is very fun and amazing. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so if you want to learn more on how to trade boom and crash synthetic indices, everything about synthetic indices, just head then to my website at kingsfxtraders.com. I'm going to leave the link in the comment section and also in the description of this video. Go there and take the free courses there. If you want to pay, you pay and take the full course, crash course on synthetic indices, and also learn different strategies, working strategies, tested and proven strategies that can actually help you make a lot of money, trading the forex market, trading synthetic indices. Okay, so that's that for this video, and we are still riding in profit. Okay, we are still riding in profit. Remember, it's still a real account, it's not a joke. All right, so that's that for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now, guys. Enjoy.